How to use our platform to generate financial statements in minutes. Financial statements are very, very important for monitoring and decision making. So it's very important for entrepreneurs to have access to the financial reports as in when required. And even with the funding institution, they require financial statement on a regular basis so that they can monitor the performance of your business. So it's important for you as an entrepreneur to be able to generate your financial statement on time whenever it's required. So at Super Dealmaker will provide you with a platform where you can generate financial statements in minutes. How to prepare financials on our platform? You just have to go to www.superdealmaker.com. Then you'll go to the dashboard, which is dashboard home. And then on the dashboard home, you click on finance readiness. So if you click on finance readiness, it will redirect you to our access to funding and financial management platform. You focus on manage business finance platform. On this platform, before you start generating, make sure that you familiarize yourself with the topics there in terms of how you do your bookkeeping, income statement, cash flow, and all that. You prepared the educational notes there. You can open the note, then you can read about whichever topic that you might be interested in. So if you open it, it tells you it gives you background information about what you're about to do on that section. You can also take a quiz on each section just to make sure that you are ready to prepare your own financials. And otherwise, you can also watch the video, which gives you a background on that specific topic that you will be working on. So now, once you've watched the video and you are comfortable that you are ready to start your financials, or in addition, we also have a help function on top there, where if you click on it, you go to how to generate GAAP compliant financials. There, it also gives you a written instructions in how to prepare the financials, the steps that you need to follow to prepare the financials. So that's on the educational side. So once you have the necessary knowledge or you are comfortable that you are ready to generate the financials, all now that you have to do is to click on generate financials. Then when you click on generate financials, so the app will redirect you to our finance dashboard. Once you have downloaded the spreadsheet, then you complete the spreadsheet with your transactions. Basically, it's you can see here I've already completed the transaction. Just put the description, the reference numbers, the classification, quantities, the date, and most importantly is the amount. You put the amount there. That's all that you have to put in. Is the description of the transaction. It's just the description of the transaction that you have to put in. You put in the reference number. You put the expense classification. You put the date. You put the amount. So you load all your transaction on Excel. So if you prepared your transaction on Excel, or you can import it from the bank statement and update the transactions here. It's each and every transaction, and it's advisable that you just take the summary. If it's revenue, take wherever you're sourcing your revenue amount from. Just put in the total amount for that specific year. You must know when is your year end date. So you just put all the totals, cost of sales, you put your total amount there, bank charges, you add them up, you just put the total amounts there, consumables, all those things. And with the accounts payable, who are you owing at the end of the financial, your shares, your stock, work in progress, you just put the total amounts there. On the spreadsheet, your assets, whenever you bought them, you put the date that you bought those assets on, you put the amount that you paid for those assets. So, and then once you do that, you just click on save, wherever you saved your spreadsheet, then you go back to the app, you click on upload transactions. So when you click on upload transactions, then the app will open upload transaction sheet. And then here, you just have to choose file. So you basically have to go and choose the file where you saved all your information in Excel. After you click that, then you navigate to where you have saved your file. So mine, I've saved it under the drive, new data, financials. Then I click on the file that I've saved, then I click upload. So when I click upload, then the app will go and upload the spreadsheet. And you can see here, it has uploaded the spreadsheet, it has allocated the transactions, and you are ready to generate. And okay, maybe if you want to edit anything, you just click on it as it is, then you open it, then you want to change the amount, whatever, if the amount is not correct, or if the description or the transaction date, you are not happy with the transaction date, you want to change the transaction date and all that. So you can just change those. Make sure that you dated your information, you are happy with it. So whenever you want to update or the financials are not reflecting what you're supposed to be reflected on your financials, you just come here and change it. And then you can also filter through in terms of the transactions that you're looking for. Let's say you are looking for cost of sales transactions. So you can just view and filter. It gives you your cost of sales, then you can change it whichever way you want to change. So if you want to manage the transaction and change certain amounts and figures, you come and change them here. And once you change them, then once you are happy, then you can go to generate financials. Remember, you can send the project activities to the team members, but because your account is not yet approved, it shows you that you are unable to send this because your account is not yet approved. Yes, and then even with the download, only people who have paid, they will be able to download. So if you didn't pay, it will show you that you haven't paid your account. So you can follow the steps to make sure that you pay your account before you can download the financials. So currently, if you are a member and you haven't paid, you can only view your financials. So in this case, you can see your management accounts, your latest financials, your previous financials based on the information that you have loaded. So if you can click view. Then if we click on generate financials, then you'll see that you are able to generate the financials depending on the type of financials that you need. So you just click view financials. Then there you are. You can see the financials which are GAAP compliant and they are balancing. You don't have to worry about the allocations and all that. The app has generated you the beautiful financials that you can submit to whoever that you need to submit to. That's it. That's how you generate the financials on our app.